How to install Brave browser on Android TV. So there are two ways for you to install the Brave browser on your Android TV. First is using a third-party app store like Aptoid. There are many Play Store alternatives for Android TV allowing you to install apps that you otherwise won't find on Google's App Marketplace. So you can use Aptoid for getting Brave on Android TV. For those wondering, Aptoid is an independent app store hosting thousands of Android apps from trusted developers across the globe. All apps on Aptoid are free to download, meaning it's worth having on your Android TV device besides just installing Brave. If you have an Android smartphone, sideloading Aptoid on Android TV will be easy. So first, launch the preferred web browser on your Android phone. Visit tv.aptoid.com and tap Download Aptoid TV to get the APK file. Next, install the Send Files to TV app on your Android phone and TV from the Play Store. Once installed, open the app on your Android phone, go through the first time tip screens and tap send. The app may ask for your storage permission, so make sure to allow this. Similarly, launch the Send Files to TV app on your Android TV, skip the welcome screen, and tap receive. On your Android phone, go to download folder, select Aptoid APK file. Assuming your Android TV device is on the same network as your phone, it should appear in the send to menu. Tap it to begin transferring the APK file. Once transferred, you can use the default File Explorer or third-party app like File Explorer or File Commander on your Android TV to sideload the Aptoid TV APK file. Another thing you can do is to use a USB. So another straightforward method for installing Brave on Android TV is a USB flash drive. On your computer, open a browser tab, go to brave.and.aptoid.com/app and click on download to get the APK. After that, move it to a USB flash drive. If you have a USB OTG adapter, you can also download the APK on your Android phone and move it into the flash drive. Now go ahead and plug the flash drive into your Android TV and install the Brave browser APK file from your preferred file manager. And that is how you can basically install Brave browser on Android TV.